since its dispatch in the mid-70s, the third kind keeps on being a pillar of BMW, particularly to support deals in different nations. The reality demonstrates, Type 3 itself is presently achieving the 6th era and keep on experiencing configuration changes. The front of the auto is as yet the same as before, that reinforce the effortless side through the show of medium-sized barbecue with part outline that has turned into its own particular trademark. The idea of the primary light likewise turns out to be more cutting-edge than any other time in recent memory. Moving to the side, BMW fortifies this side by sticking the line on the entryway handle that partitions from the front side to the back. A thin empty additionally stuck on the base to include an exquisite side of this auto. While on the back, 320i seem more present-day by lessening the measure of the back mix light. On the inside side of the BMW 320i 2017 showcases the extravagance that is usually found in premium cars. Side of the lodged material made enchanting with calfskin plan with different shading decisions. Quality, lodge space inserted in the 320i is likewise genuinely wide. Spaces for the feet and head is viewed as sufficiently able to help the solace for all clients. Dashboard segment is furnished with 8.8-inch touchscreen. Guiding wheel, 320i still convey the idea of driver-oriented. Situate, an auto that can oblige 5 travelers is stuck calfskin upholstery produced using finest and smooth. Extra highlights like auto aeration and cooling system. 2,998cc V6 motor BMW twin-power turbo with 4 chambers that use turbocharging capacity to control up to 326 horsepower at 5,500 and 6,500 revolutions per minute turn. The motor can likewise regurgitate up most extreme torque to 450 Nm at 1,380 to 5,500 revolutions per minute.